Hello everybody, my name is the Duke, and today we are going to be reviewing the new update in yeeps. Today I am joined by the Nubiest Pro, and
Me.
good him. Yep, hey, you know him. Pretty much so. New update has come out in yeeps. Now, it's not anything to do with prop. I just wanted to start here because they released a new map that used to be in a community code. Many of you know tap tag. Stop throwing stuff. But many of you know tap tag, but you know the construction site map. They released a new construction site map. Oh, okay. But as many of you know, it has only been a community world. Well, they just released it as an official map. So, where can you find it?
Right here.
Oh. They also released new item. That new item is, chainsaw. We'll talk more about that once we're in the map. All right, now let's get there. Bah. All right, here we are on the new construction site map. As you can see,
Move.
yeah, double
Ow.
kill.
You
Okay,
slapped me. How
as you
could
can see,
you?
it is the first official tap tag map to be released. As you can see
Really?
too, you know, it looks exactly like the community world. It has some updated things like props. You can see there's a few cogs and, well, obviously porta potty.
Shut
So
the
you
door at
know
least.
how when I was just in Prop Town, I was talking about the chainsaw?
I'm taking
Yeah, well, I'm gonna talk about it a little bit more. So you can find this item in the Winter Tech web. It costs 800. But if you start it up, you just have to tug the cord and it starts it up. It's really good on knockback. However, it wastes your cotton very fast. So, you'd probably want to, I don't know, get something to keep cotton, like cotton bundles. Well, not like bundles, but,
Oh my god,
yeah.
Duke, I gotta show you something really cool. I just remembered
What
something.
is it? Backflip! Oh my god. For any of you who didn't just see that, that was the coolest backflip. Okay, but as you can see, you know, they got, they have all the same stuff that they did in the community world. Plus more. Another thing too. We only know where a few Buckcoin stashes are right now, but I'll still show you them. If you go over to the come over to the map, over to the right of it, there's a Buckcoin stash. Once you get that, might as well just continue going up because there's another one. Except it's on the top. As you can see over here too, on the top there is a music station. You know, it's got music. So yeah, but there will be a music. Yeah, there will be like a small DJ stand over here. But there's a Buckcoin stash over to the left of it. All right. Yeah. Well, we don't currently know where the rest of them are, but with the ones that we do know, hopefully you can find the rest. Well, Oh no. With the ones that we've shown so far, hopefully, you can, try help other people to find the rest. Yeah. Hey, just for a second. Okay, stand right there. What did he take? Where did he go?
Thank you.
Idiot. Okay, yeah, well, as I'm looking for my friend, I think this is about where I'll end it. So,
I found
have a
him.
great day. Wait, what? Oh, man. Back my controller. Okay, well, got him.
What the? Oh, yeah.
Okay, everybody, come on, come over here. Come over here for a second. All right, I'm recording the end. So, everybody over here, come on. All right, Max, get in here. So I hope you had a great time. This new update is very cool. This new update is very cool. And if Yeeps, they have more bonus updates.
If you can't
And
tell,
if Yeeps has more,
bomb.
I think they could tell. Okay, just have a great day. All right, like and subscribe if you want. All right, just have a great day.